I don't mean to bother you, Stan, but don't forget Timmy's iPad. Or Susie's favorite snack. As much fun as it looks like you're having right now, Stan, you could use the RV trip checklist provided by Go RVing Canada instead of running around like a hurricane. Speaking of hurricanes, it's okay to check the weather reports, but with the comforts of home right here on the open road, it doesn't really matter.
This doesn't include the apocalypse, the meteor strike, the unleashing of the Kraken, or hordes of revenge-seeking locusts.
To ensure you don't forget anything, double-check your list. And in case of emergency, don't forget to visit GoRVing.ca to cover all the bases. Now let's see what happens when something goes wrong. It's all good, Rick. You used a professional dealer who's just a friendly phone call away. That being said, roadside coverage is never a bad idea. Now you are almost prepared to hit the road and explore. There are still a couple of details to take care of.
Huh?
Well, you see, Rick, there are a couple of things you want to make sure you do as regular maintenance. Avoiding these simple things can get you in a heap of trouble.
What do you mean?
Most maintenance can be handled annually. For instance, all window and door opening seals should be checked to prevent leaks. The roof should be cleaned at least once a year. Careful now, Rick. That water pressure can be strong. If your RV is a towable trailer, then you will want to lube your axles once a year. Hurry up, Rick. Winter is just around the corner. When winterizing your RV at the end of the season, it is important to drain any water left in the plumbing system. You wouldn't want it to freeze and crack the pipes. When spring arrives, you will want to inspect your fridge, furnace, and water heater to make sure they are clean and in working order. Oh, Rick, you forgot your list. And there you have it. You are now fully prepared and ready to have the adventure of a lifetime. So let's bring back wildhood.